The COVID-19 drove the educational institutions in the country to adapt to the new normal and shift to unconventional ways in catering the needs of its learners. With the wide adoption of flexible learning nowadays, the utilization of game-based mobile learning is incited more than ever. The Game-Based Mobile Learning Platform for Social Studies project sought to develop a game-based mobile learning platform that can be used as a supplementary tool in teaching social studies subjects in the Philippines. It resulted to the development of an Android-based mobile game application called Historia and a web-based content management system. Historia, a game-based mobile learning platform for social studies, endeavors to be relevant in the current situation of our country, as educational institutions adopt flexible modalities. Historia emphasizes the significance of using educational games for students' learning, and introduce it as another flexible approach in teaching the AP subjects. The Historia mobile application consists of two types of users. Guest users are those users who don't have a key code or they are not part of a class. Registered users are those users associated with a class and need to register to be included in the class record of the teacher. If the login is successful, the application will redirect the user to the main menu. Apart from the Play Game button, essential features can be seen on the main menu of the mobile platform. These features include the Update, Sync, Instruction, and View Stats. The Play Game button displays the three game categories, namely Quiz Game, Analogy Game, and Association Game. 4 levels correspond to the 4 AP curriculum units. The player needs to unlock the next level to be able to play it. The quiz game consists of multiple choice questions that aim to assess the student's knowledge, and when the player properly answers the question, a trivia connected with the answer is presented. Learners will be rewarded a maximum of 3 stars after completing a question. Better performance on a question, such as answering the question in a single attempt, results in more stars awarded. The analogy game lets the player analyze how the images are related and determine the word that best describes the images that aim to assess the student's understanding. In playing the analogy game, learners will also be rewarded a maximum of 3 stars after completing a question. Hints accumulated in playing the quiz game will be used to help the learners in answering the questions. Lastly, the association game aims to assess the learner's process or skills. An image is displayed, and the learners will select what situation or definition best fits the image displayed. Like the 2 game categories, the player will also be rewarded a maximum of 3 stars after completing a question. The web-based application displays information about the mobile game-based platform and facilitates content management and game administration. The system allows the education program specialists, head teachers, and system administrators to manage the content and system settings. The web application also allows the creation and customization of question sets that will be downloaded by the students when they use the mobile game app. In addition, the platform supports the monitoring and assessment of the levels of proficiency of the learners, by allowing the learners to sync their scores from the mobile app to the web app. The teachers can then view the data analytics of the learners' scores in the web app.
Historia aims to benefit the students and teachers and the educational system of the Philippines in general by pioneering a game-based mobile learning platform and introducing it as another flexible approach in teaching the Araling Panlipunan or AP subject. By integrating the reward and challenge aspect of the game, the students will be learning AP subject in a fun and enjoyable approach. They can also learn and play during or beyond school hours and with or without internet connection, thus addressing some of the challenges we are encountering nowadays. In addition, by having a locally developed game, this will attract the interest of the students into game development at an early age. This supports